araw na ng anibersaryo ng Deklarasyon ng Kalayaan ng Pilipinas. In the Philippines, for short, it's called Philippine Independence Day. There's lots of contentions about that, of course. Pero syempre, dahil nga po itong ika-12 ng Hunyo ay mahalaga para sa ating mga kababayan, ay naglipa na naman po ang mga selebrasyon sa kabuuan ng Southern California para sa Filipino-American community. There's one in Carson. I know there is the Kalayaan Fest, which we talked about, I think, last week. At magkakaroon din po ng selebrasyon sa downtown Los Angeles. We're going to be talking about that today on the show. Kasabay po ng pagkilala natin sa panibago na namang set of kababayan performers. They call themselves Elson and the Soul Barkada Band. We're going to be talking to them also later on sa ating programa. Pero bago ang lahat, dahil nga po Webes ngayon, hindi naman mawawala ang ating weekly dose of Hollywood chismis courtesy of the Nepales Reports. Ang ating kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association at ang batikang kolumnista ng Only in Hollywood sa Inquirer.net. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hi, Janelle. Magandang hapon sa mga kababayan natin.
Ayan, Ruben, alam mo, ang dami sa ating mga kababayan napakahilig sa mga cartoon movies. And this afternoon on the show, iga-guide mo kami sa loob ng Pixar studio?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Mapalad kami na nakabalik kami sa Pixar last the weekend. And kasi believe tayo sa animation movies ng Pixar. At saka isa pa, marami tayong talented na mga artists. And unfortunately, marami sa atin mga nakapasok sa Pixar. And they're doing a lot to help the excellent tradition of Pixar.
Okay, there's a picture here showing you in Ken's jacket. Can you tell us the story?
Dito sa Toy Story 3, kasama si Ken for the first time, as voiced by Michael Keaton. And so may parang silang display na dollhouse doon. So nandun ang wardrobe ni Ken. So I was just looking at it. Sabi ng producer na si Darla Anderson, why don't you try it on? So nagulat ako. So I tried it on. So Janelle, na-experience ko ng maging Ken at least for a few minutes.
Oo nga, nakilala mo ba si Barbie?
Yeah, na-interview namin si Jody Benson, who's the voice for Barbie. At saka yung jacket na yan, napaka-heavy ng sequins. Kaya ano...
But I'm impressed nagkasya sa'yo yung jacket ni Ken. So meaning magkasing katawan kayo ni Ken.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Ruben, another good news for our kababayans, there is a Filipino working sa Pixar Animation Studio.
Yes, there are several of them. In fact, ang tawag sa kanila, meron silang binyag sa kanilang grupo. They call themselves Pix Noise.
Pix Noise.
Yes.
Oy, I like that.
And dun sa app na nananong Oscar at saka Golden Globe, ang dalawa is si Ronnie Del Carmen at saka si Vicky Nierva. And of course, dun sa Finding Nemo, biglaan tayong nakakita ng bahay kubo. That's courtesy of Nelson Bohol. Dito naman sa Toy Story 3, ang character animator is Jeannie Cruz Santos. So siya ang in charge sa mga giving life and emotion to some of the characters.
Okay. Ano ba ang, meron ba siyang mga code din na ipapasok sa Toy Story 3 na will make us think na, uy, Pinoy yung gumawa nito?
Hindi, tama kasi dun sa Finding Nemo na aquarium, usually meron ng mga bahay kubo sa mga aquarium, so nailusot yun. Pero ang sabi naman nila, they always bring the humor and the sensibility, lalo na si, may mga dance scenes dito. So ang sabi ni Jeannie, mahilig ang tatay niya sumayaw. So somehow, nadadala nila yung tradition na yan.
Ayan, alright. Toy Story 3 ngayon. When is this opening, Ruben? And what do you think about this franchise?
This coming weekend.
Okay, this coming weekend.
Yes.
Alright. And moving on now, Karate Kid Part 2.
Yes.
Ayan. Kamusta naman ang mga chismis tungkol dyan from that movie?
Well, si Jaden Smith, ang anak ni Will Smith at saka Jada Pinkett Smith, ang Karate Kid. So, in fact, ang biro ni Jackie Chan, ang tingin niya sa sarili niya, batang-bata pa siya. So, nung sinabing ino-offer sa kanya ang Karate Kid, akala siya yung magiging kid. Pero, as you know, kaibigan ni Will si Tom Cruise. So, naikwento sa amin ni Jaden na kuminsan nag-snowboarding siya with Tom Cruise and all that.
Okay, so itong si Jaden, we saw him first dun sa movie na Pursuit of Happiness kasama yung kanyang tatay, no? And very natural kung umate. Were you able to interview him? How is he like?
Yeah, he was, I think, only about 8 during that time. Na-interview namin sa Pursuit of Happiness. So he was shy, he was smiling. Pero medyo pagod siya siguro, this one, medyo, medyo pagod siya siguro. But ang galing sumagot pa rin, you know. At saka may dalawang bodyguards siya, left and right. Bihira kami maka-interview ng Hollywood stars na may bodyguard on his left and right side.
Aba, para saan daw yung mga bodyguard?
Hindi ko nga alam kung para saan. Yeah.
All right, let's talk about Jackie Chan. Of course, batikang-batikan na to, no? We know him very well. Mahal na mahal siya ng mga tao. He's very funny, very talented, good actor. How was it like talking to him? At ano yung mga chismis na nakuha mo from him?
Yeah, we're very proud of Jackie kasi isa sa mga Asian talagang naka-breakthrough sa Hollywood. And maganda sinabi niya about Jaden na, you know, ang napansin niya, protected masyado si Jaden. Maraming bodyguards, maraming entourage. So, kahit travel siya ng travel, hindi niya talaga na-experience yung mga lugar. So, ang biro daw niya, or maybe hindi siya nagbibiro kay Will Smith, ibigay mo sa akin si Jaden, sa akin siya ng 3 months para mag-grow siya talaga. Or, I mean, kasi ina-admire niya, talented daw at saka genius daw si Jaden. Pero sabi niya, tumira sa akin si Jaden ng 3 months at mas mag-grow siya siguro, sabi niya.
Ano naman kaya ang sabi ng cast, or if you were able to talk to them, to either Jaden or Jackie, na yung movie nila, it's called Karate Kid Part 2, but there's no karate in it. It's more kung fu.
Yeah, it's more kung fu kasi they open up the movie this time sa China ang setting. So since China it's more on kung fu, and of course Jackie Chan is the master. So kung fu kasi ang karate is more belongs to Japan, di ba?
Okay. All right. And then we're looking at very last question. We're just looking at some of the stunts that Jaden is doing. So he did all the stunts by himself on his own?
Yes, and
walang double,
producer din sila Will at saka Jada. So ang mayroong dilemma yan, you know, how far do you push? Kasi lalo na anak mo ito, di ba? So sabi niya, alam niya na ipupush siya ng father niya at kinakabahan. Alam niya na kinakabahan lalo na si Jada. Pero sabi niya, pinupush hindi daw umiimik si Will. Pero that's part of the game. At alam mo naman, they do this very safely. Pero still nakakakaba for an 11-year-old siguro.
Exactly, and to do all the stunts. But you know what? Job well done. And abangan natin yung pelikula na yan. Thank you so much, Ruben Nipales from the Hollywood Foreign Press Association.
Salamat, Janelle.
If you want to read more of Ruben's stories, well, actually, you have to. Napaka-interesting po. Marami siyang napupuntahan. Marami siyang nakakausap ng mga artista. Only in Hollywood, Inquirer.net. Meanwhile, magbabalik po ang kababayan LA. Don't go away.
Once upon a limited time, far, far away.